Suppose you want to remind your student of something each time they practice, but you don't want to assign it as a universal goal where it appears alongside every goal. This is a great example of where a note would be useful. You can write a note to yourself that only you will see each week until you delete it, or you can write a note to a student, which we will do here. Here's the note after typing it up. Remember to loosely float on and off the keys when starting and ending a piece. If you are not relaxed when you put your hands in the keys, you certainly won't be relaxed while you perform. Notice I also dragged the note to the top of the practice routine so that the student will see this note first. Since I added this as a note instead of a goal, it acts a lot like empty categories and subcategories. The student is simply shown the note and taps continue once they're done reading it. There are no practice stats for notes. Now let's move on to media. Down at the bottom you'll see the media button. From here you can record audio and take video and pictures, you can import media from files, and you can attach it to the student's goal book. From this button we have the 4 types of media MetaPractice supports, as well as your library of everything. Actually, all of these options really take you to the same place, but if, for example, you tap on audio specifically, you'll be brought to the library with an audio filter already turned on. We'll just choose library. Here in the library you can see the filters I mentioned. If you tap on image, for example, you'll only see your images. Now let's tap on audio options and then choose add to lesson to insert it into the goal book. One thing that's pretty cool is that you can also add notes to media. Tapping on the options button we see the add note feature here. I'll type in play it more like this, dear. Tap the done button and here we have it. Okay, so the way this is done right now, the student will be prompted to optionally listen to the audio at the end of the practice routine. But we can also drag this audio widget up and attach it to things. Let's first tap on the category to expand it. Now let's attach the audio to a category like this. We can attach it to a subcategory like this, and we can attach it to a goal like this. When audio, video, an image, or a PDF is attached to a category or subcategory, again, the student will simply be given the option to view or listen to it with a continue button when they're done. If it's attached to a goal like we see here, it will be available to view or listen to during the practicing of that particular goal.